editing. We're ready to edit. It might be a PDF, a Google slide, any document that you have on the internet that you would like to add additional information to. We go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Kami, the Kami extension. Here it is, the first one up. When we see it, it looks like this here. We go over to the right and click Add to Chrome. Add extension. It's going to take a little time to load. And as we wait for that, we are going to be asked for permissions to add or to have access. And all we do, turn on sync. And that extension now gets added to all our Google environment. Now here is the Kami extension over on the right top. Click that orange arrow. In the drop-down window, you see that K? Click on the K. You'll be asked to log in or sign up. You go in with Google, use your Google email, and as long as you get in there, you will be ready to annotate any documents. Just click allow, continue, and you indicate what it is that you need it for. I'll put K-12 school. I'm a teacher. You put yes, no, or I don't know. You determine which one works for you. Fill in all that's necessary on the bottom. And then you're ready to keep moving with your options. Now you're finished. At this point, you can open any documents that you might want to work on. And as you continue, when you open a document, you will see the tools that will help you to work on the document. Over on the left of this window, you have lots of different tools for text box. If you want to add some type of information, here you create a text box, you write what you need to write, and you proceed by using all the features that you see on the left and at the top of the screen. And everything else is all comes down to you exploring. So go on and explore the rest of the site, and I will hope that all works well for you. Thank you.